So my name is Bill McCamley. I'm the New Mexico Secretary of Workforce Solutions, the Labor Secretary, and I'm out here today at the Ironworkers Hall and Training Facility in Albuquerque, New Mexico. What's really cool about what's going on here is that they are hosting a competition for apprentice ironworkers from New Mexico, Texas, Louisiana, Oklahoma, Mississippi, and Missouri. And they're all here showing off their skills, putting windows together, doing surveying, working on rebar. And the winner actually shows off their skills. And we just met Mike, who is our representative from New Mexico out here trying to do us proud. We're really proud to have them here. And the great thing about this competition is it shows the value of apprentices in the building trades. And so if you want a really good job and maybe going to college isn't for you, you can go and become an apprentice, make money while you're learning, get a great skill, and get a job building New Mexico. Ironworkers build buildings. They help weld, do AC services, all sorts of things that keep our buildings strong and safe so that all of us in our community can grow and do better. Governor Lujan Grisham really believes in an economy that works for everybody, and that means we need folks who are willing to go into building trades. If you want to know more about all of the services and apprenticeships out there, you can go to the Department of Workforce Solutions website and look at our career pathways list. We've got a new website where you can look at every single different apprentice we've got, see a short description, and instructions on how to apply. Thanks a lot for watching this. Really appreciate it. Hope you all are having a great day. Thanks.